Hey everybody, Ian here, TradeStalker.com with a recap for you from March 28, 2018. You can take a look and see that these are the levels that Mike had given from the prior day. You have the ones that came into play were this 95 to 97 level, and then you have this 21.5 to 23 resistance, and then finally up above here the 31.5 to 33.5 resistance. And the important thing to notice, he gives these levels the day before. You can see how the market was just bookended by these levels. It was, it's pretty much perfect. This 20, excuse me, 21.5 to 23 level here, initially capped the upside, took the market down to this 97 to 95 level, where it, just dipped a little bit below that and then bounced. We got a pullback here that held. Got to move up. This time it did come out through this level, but it pulled back to it before moving higher, and then finally stopped up here at this 31.5 to 33.5, which was the top of the market. Broke back down, and then you can see how each time it bumped its head against these levels and came back down. And so this is the place to do business here. For a lot of people looking at this, it probably looks pretty confusing if you didn't have these levels on here. You can imagine that it would just be chaos, like what do I do? There's just the red bars up and down, but when you see this, it makes a lot of sense that these are the areas to do business. You just want to wait and focus on those areas along with Mike's guidance as to how the market's reacting and the tempo and pace and that type of thing. So hopefully that makes sense. If you guys have any questions, you can contact Mike always at TradeStalker.com. and Mike at TradeStalker.com, excuse me. And picking up his ebook is a great idea to get a better insight into some of the setups that he's using, and trying to understand the behind the scenes of the market a little bit better. Hope you guys have a great evening.